Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing fantastic today. Today, I'm diving into the world of eye makeup, particularly the contrast between daytime and nighttime looks. This is such an exciting topic because the right eye makeup can completely transform your look and mood. Let's find out which one suits you best. Whether you're heading to work or out for a night on the town, I've got you covered. First up, daytime eye makeup. This is all about keeping things light and fresh. The goal here is to keep it light, fresh, and natural. You want to look awake and polished without appearing too made up. Think soft browns, beige, and rosy tones. These colors are universally flattering and perfect for a subtle, everyday look. I love using a subtle shimmer on the lid, just to catch the light beautifully without being too overpowering. It adds a touch of elegance and brightness to your eyes. A quick tip: choose a light, neutral eyeshadow palette. This will give you a range of options to play with while keeping your look cohesive and natural. It's perfect for a polished, everyday look. You can wear it to the office, a casual brunch, or even a day out shopping. Now, let's talk about eyeliner. This is where you can really define your eyes without going overboard. For daytime, less is more. You want to enhance your eyes without making them the focal point. Opt for a brown or a soft gray liner and keep the line thin and close to the lash line. This gives a natural definition that's perfect for daytime. This defines the eyes without making them look too heavy. It's a subtle way to make your eyes stand out. Curl your lashes and apply a coat of mascara to make your eyes pop. This step is crucial for opening up your eyes and making you look more awake. Remember, it's all about enhancing your natural beauty. You want to look like the best version of yourself. Moving on to nighttime eye makeup. This is where you can really have fun and get creative. This is where you can go bold and dramatic. Think of it as an opportunity to express a different side of your personality. Smoky eyes, deep colors, and lots of shimmer are your best friends here. These elements add depth and drama to your look. Start with a dark base like a rich plum or charcoal, blending it out towards the crease. This creates a smoky effect that's perfect for a night out. Add some sparkle to the center of your lid for that extra glam. It catches the light beautifully and adds a touch of magic to your look. Don't be afraid to experiment with metallic shades. They can add a unique twist to your makeup and make your eyes stand out even more. When it comes to eyeliner for a night out, go dramatic. This is your chance to really make a statement. A bold black or even a colored liner can really amp up your look. Don't be afraid to play with different colors and styles. Wing it out for a cat eye effect or smudge it for a sultry, smoky vibe. Both styles are perfect for a night out and can really elevate your look. And don't forget to layer on that mascara or even pop on some false lashes for added drama. False lashes can really take your look to the next level. The key here is to make your eyes the focal point. Everything else should complement and enhance your eye makeup. So, which one suits you best? Daytime or nighttime? Or maybe a mix of both? If you love a natural, easygoing vibe, daytime makeup might be your go-to. It's perfect for those who prefer a more understated look. But if you enjoy standing out and making a statement, nighttime looks are definitely your playground. It's all about being bold and confident. Remember, makeup is all about expressing yourself. It's a form of art and self-expression. Don't be afraid to mix it up and try new things. Experimenting with different looks can be a lot of fun and help you discover what you love. After all, there are no rules in makeup, only guidelines. Thanks for watching. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more beauty tips and tricks. Your support means the world to me. See you next time. Bye. And remember, stay beautiful and confident.